Hi, my name is Jesslyn and I'm bringing my 2018 Camry in today for service at Desert Toyota. And today we're going to walk you through what you can expect when you get your vehicle serviced here, as well as what you're able to do while you wait.
Hi, I'm Kevin.
Hi, Jesslyn. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What brings you in today?
Well, my Camry is in need of its first service.
Okay, first 5,000 mile maintenance.
Yes.
Pretty simple stuff here. Looks like we're going to just go ahead and rotate your tires today.
All right.
Is this something that you're going to be waiting for today?
Yes.
Okay. Well, we do offer a shuttle service.
Oh.
So if you do want to ride, I can give you a ride. We can also pick you back up. I do have a rental kiosk as well, where we can offer you a rental vehicle for the day if that's something you'd like to do. So in the future, let us know, and
All right.
that way you don't have to wait for service at all. Let me show you to my waiting area right around this way here. So the waiting area here. We've got Desi's Diner. They've got courtesy coffee. The cups are there for you to help yourself. Bottles of water. We've also got our popcorn machine if you want to get any popcorn. Restrooms are down the hallway. And we do offer Wi-Fi. My shuttle drivers do come out here frequently and ask for if anybody wants a ride. So if you see them, let them know that you're in need of a ride, and we'll go from there.
Sounds
I'll
good.
get you out of here as soon as I can, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you for coming in.
Thank you. I could do Fresh Prince stuff. Could I get a bacon cheeseburger for lunch today?
Sure can.
All right, sounds good. Thank you. It's not too often you can come to a car dealership and actually enjoy yourself while your vehicle's being serviced. Not only did I get to watch one of my favorite TV shows on HGTV, but I also got to have some amazing homemade food at Desi's Diner. Home cooked right there on the spot. It was delicious. And my baby girl looks great. Hope you enjoyed seeing how the service department works here at Desert Toyota. Have a safe day.